guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Melissa. For today's video I recorded this look for you guys. It's just another sunset inspired look, but this time it's a cut crease, and I'm super duper happy with how it came out. Like, I was even surprised myself, so I hope you guys really enjoy this video. This is probably one of my favorite looks I've done so far on this channel, so I hope you guys really enjoy it. Make sure to also follow me on Instagram. I'll have my Instagram handle somewhere on the screen. Don't forget to also like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. To start off with, I'm going to prime my lids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to take the Model's Own palette. This is the Blaze palette, and I'm just going to take those three shades there. Now I'm just going to outline where I want my cut crease to be, above where my natural crease is, otherwise when I open my eyes it will be cut, if that makes sense. Next, I'm taking that red shade and just placing that above the purple and making sure to blend that out together so that we have a nice transition of colours. Now I'm going back in with that purple shade because as I was putting the red, the purple kind of got lost, so I just keep going back and forth with the shades. Now I'm just taking that yellow shade and I'm placing it above the red to create like a sunset gradient. As I mentioned before, I'm going to keep going back and forth with the colours. So I'm just taking that reddy orange shade and going back in there. To deepen my crease, I'm just going to put a bit of black in there just to darken it up a bit and just blend that out. With a bit of concealer, I'm just now cutting my crease, and I'm just going to take my time with it because I don't want to ruin it. Now I'm taking this blush palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to take that shade there and just put it on my lid. Now taking that red eyeshadow, I'm just going to do a smoked out liner, and then I will go in with the purple above. For mascara, I'm using the Volume Disturbia mascara from Givenchy. Moving on to the face, I'm going to take the Ultra Face Base Primer to prime my face. Since I want a really glowy skin, I'm going to take this Insta Strobing highlighting illuminator and just put that where I want to glow basically, and blend it out with the foundation brush. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I think this is the shade Cocoa. It's a bit darker for me, but since it's summer, it's kind of perfect right now. Using the beauty blender, I'm just going to make sure that my foundation is seamless and just do that throughout my whole face. For concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 40, and I actually really like this concealer. I haven't used it in a while. I really like a bright under eye, I'm just gonna go in with this concealer from Makeup Revolution. It's the fast based concealer and I'm in the shade C12, I believe. I'm gonna use the Banana Dreams loose powder from W7. Now I'm just bronzing my face with the MUA bronzer. Blusher, I'm gonna take that deep purple shade and mix it in with the red and just use that on the apples of my cheeks. Obviously I put too much because I look so red, but we move. Now I'm just spritzing some priming water on my face just to get rid of the cakiness. For today's glow, I'm gonna use the strobe highlighter from Makeup Revolution, and I've honestly never used this, but I was actually really happy with it. Putting on some pink lipstick that I found, I believe is from MUA, and then I'm gonna top it with some Fenty gloss. This is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.